What if I told you that this juicy, satisfying sandwich, it has no meat and it rivals a burger any day of the week? Today on Cooking Plant Forward, I'm going to show you how to make this cauliflower steak sandwich. It has layer upon layer of bold flavors, 100% plant-based. It's going to give you that juicy, meaty bite that you didn't think could come from vegetables. That is the core of Cooking Plant Forward. So follow me and I'm going to show you how to make it. You're going to love it. First things first, cauliflower. Now when I'm picking out a cauliflower for a cauliflower steak sandwich, I like to pick the smaller ones because just that sandwich that's in the middle here, it just seems to be tighter. But you get one this size, you're going to get one. So you get a bigger one, you'll get two. It just depends on your preference, but get this washed, dried, and cleaned. You can see I cut the bottom flat so that it sits on the surface like this. And then I just kind of judge which way. Now, this one will probably be longer. This one's going to be shorter. I like them fat, but I also like it. You got to get the middle part of this rib right here. So, start here. Now this part is going to fall apart, and that's okay. Save that. Make cauliflower rice out of it. You can see one of my other videos where I make a roasted, breaded cauliflower nuggets. Delicious. We're trying to get this steak right here. It's in the middle. All right. There we go. Now we're ready to cook these cauliflower steaks. I cook my cauliflower steak just like I cook a ribeye steak. Simple seasoning, sear the outside really well. Cauliflower has a great flavor on its own, so I don't marinate it. Now, a lot of people do, you can, but come on in and I'll show you. Okay, let's get these cooked up. So, nice, hot, cast iron pan, great for searing. We start out with a little oil. Let that get hot. There we go. A little bit of plant-based butter. Now you need a hot pan to get a good sear going, so we're going to take that cauliflower steak, get it right in the hot oil. All right, now both sides are seasoned. Starting to get hot. Let's turn up the heat. Gonna get a good sear on this. Beautiful. Just like a ribeye steak, you want some real nice color. Color is flavor. Just like in a ribeye steak, color is what brings the flavor. A little bit more butter, a couple cloves of garlic, some rosemary, and you get a good sear on that other side. Wow, that smells delicious. All right, we got some color on the other side. Now we're going to hit it with about a half cup of water. All right, they are ready to go. So how I know that, you take a little knife here, push in. If it goes in easily, it's done. You want to leave some texture to it because you don't want it to be mush. You still want to have that bite in the sandwich. So these are ready to go. Ready to be plated up, and as promised, I am going to build this sandwich for you. First things first, take some hummus, spread it on the bun. All right, so after the hummus, we're gonna put the cauliflower on, some spinach, tomatoes, cucumber for the crunch. Now this salsa verde recipe is mine. If you want it, it's coming soon. If you want it sooner, then send me a message in the comments and let's shoot it on over to you. Look at this sandwich. As you can see, it's amazingly beautiful, juicy, delicious, 100% plant-based. Just, you're gonna love it.